Okay, so welcome, and in this video we are coding the reward video ads. Okay, so let's first create an ad. So for creating, just call the server ads dot load rewarded ad. It will take an unit ID. Test we are using test ID, so we use test ID dot rewarded video, and then it's done. So we have created the ad, the rewarded video ad we have created. So now what we will do, we create another screen. Okay, we create another screen which we call, there is so much space here. Let me clear off some space. Yeah, so we will call it class rewarded, and it's also a screen. Pass it for now. What happens? Errors. Oh, CLS class rewarded, and it is of type screen pass. Okay. So firstly we need to add the button for going to the rewarded screen in our home UI. So our home, here we need to create a button and be raised. So simply copy Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Okay, we need to change some of these things. We need to make it firstly rewarded video add screen, and the position hints will be 0.4. We are doing it right, and under this it should be rewarded. We will be going to transition to screen. This is named rewarded. So we have, let's create that screen. So firstly we need to copy, add it to the screen manager, and also so the name is rewarded, and what we will doing something something different this time. So what we are doing, we are creating a label, label. So what's the text? Points. Points. And you know what we are doing here? We are playing an ad, and when the ad is you can say when the ad is completed, we will see the points incrementing as per the equal rewards. It means we are visualizing that we are received an award, okay, in as points. So we have to create a points variable. So I will create it in the I created here. Points is equals to numeric property, and we will initialize it 0. Okay, screen, it is 0. str app dot points. Okay, so text is done. Okay, so text is done. We will align it to center. Center. And let me create something, a floating button. Floating button. So floating action button. It is an action button. So icon should be plus. I'm not gonna explain this because you know that very well. You know Kivy. I am assuming that you do Kivy. Okay, so I'm just quickly writing it. What will be next position? Enter x 0.5. Enter y 0.30. On release, what we will do? This screen we will simply show the apps. So about it. This is a function of Kivmob library that shows the rewarded ad. Okay, so nothing fancy about it. So let me go to the reader waste button again for leaving the screen, for getting back to the home screen. So text, leave screen, and pose hint should be center x 0.5 top 0.2. On release, what we will do is just move a transition to the UI. So I think we have created some screen. Let's give it a run. Okay, so now we have our reward video ad screen button. When we click on it, we got a points variable, just say points, and then we click show rewarded video ad from Kivmob is called, the ads is shown. Okay, the ad is shown. Now when we click leave screen, we leave the screen. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you, like interstitial ads, we have to reload it again. Okay, and if you just now click the reward, it will show an ad, rewarded ad, for only the first time because we haven't reloaded again. And also the pointer is not incrementing because we haven't coded anything so the Python knows how increment it. And also we didn't we didn't catch the callback functionality. Okay, so that's now we will move to code the back functionality for catching them. Okay, so for catching them, what we can do is to create a reward handler. Okay, so reward handler does it catches the all the activities of the while the user while it's playing the ad. Okay, so, so for that you need to create a screen. No screen. You just need to create a handler. Okay, so I'm creating a handler. I call it rewards handler, and I will inherit them from rewarded lister interface, and I will give it a pass.